Yeah, what's up, Pengtastic here? This is an unscripted video, so I'm just gonna say some things randomly. So you know that Tyler's video, yeah, about the update. He said he's not gonna do SCN soon. He said that to me in DM, so I was like, hey, yo, can I get it back now for my Pengtastic channel? And now here we are. And yes, Tyler's title was right. I'm going to take over the channel. The SCN stuff. He wasn't really concentrating in it, so yeah, I'm gonna catch that up. And the new SCN will be out this weekend. Hell yeah, we're gonna be catching up some things on the new sneak peeks, like the Ellesmere Junction station, the Layton City thing, all of that stuff. So yeah, stay tuned for that. So yeah, that's all. I'm just saying that SCN will be on Pengtastic now. Tyler will no longer be taking over it. So I'm back with SCN with Pengtastic. So yeah. Excuse me, I'm sick. Anyway, stay tuned for that. Bye.